Meaning of even-handed.
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 Even-handed. The term even-handed refers to treating all people or situations fairly and without bias or favoritism. An even-handed approach is characterized by impartiality, objectivity, and an absence of discrimination or prejudice. When someone is described as even-handed, it means they are able to make decisions based on the facts and without being influenced by personal opinions or emotions. Such a person is seen as fair and just in their dealings with others, regardless of their background or circumstances. Ultimately, being even-handed allows for a more equitable and just society.